Hey, how much are the lottery tickets?
Cody Bitco is going
Cheapest one are $5. You can win 3,500 if you win.
Oh, like more $50 or so.
Pays it on, brings around, gets the green flag. Max Rogers held up a little bit by that number 29, the first machine. But look who's on front right now. It's sister, the number 88, Dakota Rogers. That race does not seem to work its way around her. Looks like no Connor Newdorf is going to set sail early in this one, sitting on the pass her on the outside. Sticks there, comes around, picks up a little bit of one. Still pretty much side by side through turn two. Heading on to the back straight.
He's coming, he's coming.
Nick Wigger. Going around to turn three as rubber Max Rogers got a little wiggle though coming through 3-4 as he just thinks that pass. Connor Newdorf gets a good lead here. A full second last time. Might not seem like much when I say 1 second, but that is a lot. Flag is waving.
Oh, I can't tell if I got that.
The Wanderers won't be happy about that as the number 88, but I'll tell you who's really not happy about that. That's Carter Newdorf. He has a 1 second lead, which is a huge amount of time, and says bye-bye lead. Now Max Rogers is going to be right there. This is going to be a good battle. Winning, but you know what? Carter, I remember in his first year had 1 win. He had a few wins last year. He's already had a win here. Oh, look at Max. Big start down. Carter is not coming in through.
Oh.
Rubbing is racing. do you say? And time for the December.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Obviously, I think the cruise like both tracks here, both fired up. It shows passion, right? So you got a lot of these teams here, and even in the back there, you got Howard, the Long Dad, the cruise. They got a lot of the each car out here. There's hundreds,
Yeah.
thousands of hours played in each one of these cars.
Max cannot shake that number 75 of London Euro. And yet, virtually the same speed all the way around. Carter, and you know he's trying his most. Max is trying the most that he can. They're both keeping it smooth, not twitching.
Yeah, the team here, it's quite right. You might have something that's going to get a little excited.
Very, very good point. Takes it on. Next in line. Max Waters, he's got to figure out, okay, am I going to go high? Am I going to go low? Right now, he's staying low. So he's already starting to look high. Better try to push that 75 down. And that's how Max Waters got a little bit behind at the beginning of the race. In that 29 is going to be finishing up the
You know, that takes a lot of maturity for those Bandolero drivers. I feel like
coming around, getting ready for green. that 95 fully fired up. 92. And a there. He's going to bring that orange and yellow truck, orange and blue